Hello everyone, I'd like to introduce you how to install Chuy Toolkit for CATIA. Chuy Toolkit for CATIA provided more than 13 macros for CATIA application. First of all, we can download this software from its website. That is www.chuisoft.cn. After going to its homepage, we must switch its language to English because Chinese version and the English version has different install files. After we switch to English version, we go to download area and click the first one. Then we will start the downloading. Then after the download is completed, then we go to the download folder. We will get a RAR file. We double click this RAR file and we will have 4 files. One is Chuy Toolkit description and another is how to install tips. The other 2 files are driver C version and driver D version install pack. We can install one of them. We do not need install both of them. I'll take the driver C version as an example. We double click this driver C install pack and a 4 window flashed out, but immediately it disappeared. I did this on purpose. After we click the exe driver C install pack, actually there is a UG meets CATIA folder automatically created. We don't want the user change this install folder, so you must use this UG meets CATIA as its install folder, install dictionary. Now we double click this and you will find a Chuy Toolkit CATIA subfolder. And now we have a Chuy Toolkit CATIA.CAT file. What we must do is load this CAT file to CATIA application. I will show you how to do this. We open the CATIA application and now we go to Tools, Macros. And right now we click Macro Libraries. Now we must click the downward arrow and we select VBA project. We cannot choose the dictionaries. We must use the VBA project. In some cases, the user cannot find the VBA project. I will show you later that how to fix this problem. But right now, we select the VBA project and edit existing libraries. Now we go to the UG meets CATIA folder and Chuy Toolkit folder. We click the Chuy Toolkit CATIA CT VBA. Just click open. Now the existing library was loaded. We click close. And now you will find many macros model. At this moment, we can execute the macros. For example, we select the all Chuy Toolkit 2D 3D and we click run. Now a rectangular menu will appear. For example, we execute the part 2 product macros. Then there will appear the UI form. Actually, we have some document for your reference after you install the software. In the install folder, there is a FAQ document, and also there is a Chuy Toolkit description. This picture shows each macro description and in which workbench the macros must be run. Actually, we have more than 13 macros in this software. And for the FAQ document, we have some frequently asked questions and its answer. Wait a moment. Then in this document, there are some questions and answers. What I want to tell you now is that we have 3 running methods for this software. Method 1, choose macros, which we already showed. And method 2, run all Chuy Tool 3D 2D. This is actually the pop-up menu to all other macros. And method 3, add macros to toolbar, then click icon to run it. We recommended the method 3. I will show you how to use method 3. But now this is actually the method 2. they have many command buttons, and we can click the button to run the macro. Now, I'll show you how to add icon command to the toolbars. We right-click the empty area of this toolbar, CATIA toolbar, and we select the Customize. Now, a Customize window will appear. Then we click the toolbars and New. Now, we have an empty toolbar, and we can change this toolbar's name. For example, CHUY Toolkit. You can use any name for this toolbar, and we click OK. So you will see they start with a CH. Now the toolbar is empty. We must add some command to this new toolbar. We click the commands and select macros. Now you will find winning command in this right area. This actually is same as which we previously say in the macros. It's the same. Now we click some of its command. For example, the word Chuy Toolkit. We left button click this and drag it to the new toolbar. Then we release the right button. You will see a trigger icons. We can change this icon picture. Just click the show properties and the three dots. Now you can select your favorite icon. For example, I can choose C. You can choose any one of those icons just as you like. You will see that this icon already changed to C. We click close. And we of course can edit another command. Also we can change its icon. What I want to tell you is that in the part design workbench we have the toolbar, but in the assembly design we must add another toolbars, which means they are independent. I'll show you the difference. For example, we click to product, and you will see this CATIA part will change to CATIA product. You will see this is a part, but have many part bodies. And now it's changed to a CATIA product, have many parts. Since the workbench is changed from part to product, you will find that we added a new toolbar, but it is disappeared. So we need to add this again, customize, and toolbars view. For example, Chuy Toolkit 2. Also, we can add vocals. I suggest you add this word Chuy Toolkit to the toolbars because, as I already said, it's covered with the other macro command, and you can add the command as you need. But of course, some command is used for part design, and some work only in assembly design. So you just need what you want, what is useful for you. If this command is not useful for you, then you do not need to add this to your new toolbar. For example, I added body height, and I can add open current folder. Of course, we can change its icon. Open. And this one is body height. So we select the body height. Then we change its icon. So the icon already changed. So you will find that this toolbar, because we are in assembly design, is not the same with the part design toolbar. This one is not the same as this one. But you can add the same command to different workbench. For example, this C icon command. It appears in both of these the workbench. we click Open Current Folder, then this folder is entered. Okay, actually this is what the install guide, but I will show you how to fix the problem that if we don't have the VBA project in this step, some user can't find the VBA project. Actually, you can install the VBA module in the CATIA install disk. I will show you. If you check in your install disk or install source of the CATIA, you will find a VBA folder, and there is a DSVBA 7.1 installer. You right-click this exe and run as administrator. After you install this VBA, then you will find there is VBA project. Okay, that's all for the installation guide. Thank you.